what's up people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So before we start, if you are binge watching Netflix or maybe scrolling Instagram, and if you are in your 20s or about to enter your 20s, this video is for you. So in this video we'll be talking about top 10 things that you need to do in your 20s to make your 30s and 40s easy. Let's go. Number 1, focus on your dream. So 20s is the only age where you complete your schooling and enter the college phase. So there is a time when you get the opportunity to select the stream. So only select the stream which you are interested in. Like me, I was only interested in studying medicine. So I selected it and now I'm investing in it. Same goes with you. If you're interested in a specific study, so just go for it. Focus on your dream, invest in it, and then accomplish it. That's the only mantra. Now let's roll on to number 2. Number 2, start earning. I know I must be sounding too much adultish, but here's the thing. Don't you get ashamed of asking money from your parents just to hang out with your friends or maybe get something that you really wanted to? Do you? So stop relying on your parents' money and get a job, maybe a part-time job, and just start earning. So once you start earning, start saving the money so you can easily fulfill your smaller requirements. So let's roll on to number 3. Number 3, start investing. I know, right? I know investing is not for everyone. But instead of spending tons of money for buying an iPhone or maybe a bike that's not even required for you, so just do not buy it. Save the money, extract 50% of the amount and buy shares of Apple or maybe some other company, but with proper guidance. And you can fix deposit or finance it into some other things. That's the thing, right? Stop wasting money and just start investing. Point number 4, prioritize your time. So to get the life you want, you really need to work hard. And 20s is the only period when you have lots of free time. And it's the only time you can get selfish. It's the best time. And during this period, you might meet a lot of temporary people. And so just give your time and efforts only to people that are necessary. So give your time to family, give some time to your friends, give some time to education, and also give a little bit of time to maintain your healthy lifestyle. Point number 5, stop wasting money to buy useless things, to buy stupid things, which is actually to impress others and fill the void, and which is actually lack of confidence. So you really need to stop. Point number 6, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Focus on your fitness, focus on your mental health, focus on your emotional well-being. Just maintain your skin, maintain your body, and have good food. And a good example, if 87 years old Bill Russell, an NBA champion, can work out at this age, what's your excuse? Point number 7, have healthy food. Grinding in your 20s might make the rest of your life a bit easy. Try cutting down on your junk, have healthy food, have ghar ka khana, have fruits, veggies, fresh veggies, have fresh and healthy juice, have nuts, and have everything that's healthy for you. And try avoiding injurious things that actually might increase your mortality. Point number 8, get a hobby. Get a hobby that makes you fit, that makes you money, and besides getting bored, get a hobby that makes you entertain and take control of your life. Let's move on to the last 2 points of the video. start journaling. Start journaling to ease up the pressure of work. Now, not every time you have people surrounded by you. There are times you might end up alone. There are times you might get broken. There are times you might get lonely. So, to share the feelings, you really need to start journaling. So, start journaling so that it fuels you and it drives you crazy to just follow your dream and make a habit of journaling every day. Once you start journaling, like you make a plan, you get a plan to get closer to the dream, and just start collecting data, start collecting knowledge, start collecting everything that you need to make that plan work. Let's move on to the last point of the video. Let's roll. So the last point number 10, take a break. Try to relax, try to chill after having a week full of pressure and having a lots of work on your head. Just try taking break and just try meditating. It keeps you calm, it keeps you relaxed. Try going on vacations, try going on mini vacations, and just try to calm yourself down and chill. So that's it for the video. I hope you like the content. If you like the content, just give it a thumbs up and comment down the best part, and don't forget to share it with your friends and let them know. And if you are new to the channel, just subscribe. It keeps me motivated. And just stay safe and stay tuned for new videos. Peace.